Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to manage separate capacity for Salesforce case and messaging session objects. If you are having cases and messaging session records getting routed via Salesforce omni-channel, and if you want your agents to have separate capacities for case object and messaging session object, then we can make use of interruptible capacity and non-interruptible capacity. In presence configuration, we have capacity and interruptible capacity. This capacity is very similar to primary capacity, and interruptible capacity is like secondary capacity. For example, here in this presence configuration, I have set capacity to 5 and interruptible capacity is set to 2. So the agent can handle 7 work items if the units of capacity is 1. This particular interruptible and non-interruptible capacity can be set at routing configuration level and also at the service channel level. For example, here this is the routing configuration for routing case records. I have set the capacity type as inherited. Inherited means it will go and check the service channel for the case object. It is not is interruptible. If I select is interruptible here, then it will take interruptible capacity from the presence configuration. Let's take messaging session routing configuration. So this is the routing configuration that will be used for routing messaging session records. Here I am setting the capacity type as interruptible. Since I am setting the capacity type as interruptible for messaging session routing configuration, then it will take the capacity from interruptible capacity. Here in the messaging session, I am setting is interruptible to by default false. I am not doing any changes. The interruptible capacity type can be set at the service channel level and also at routing configuration level. So here this is going to be the primary capacity, and then it is using the capacity type as inherited, so it will go and get the capacity type from service channel. Let's take a look at the Omni supervisor. So here this particular agent admin user was able to handle 4 case records. So the primary capacity is 80% because the agent can have one more case records, and this particular agent was having 2 messaging session records, one from SMS and the other one was from WhatsApp channel. So his secondary capacity, the interruptible capacity, became full. The agent won't get any additional messaging session records, but the agent can get additional case records since we are having separate capacity for case object. Very important thing when you design this interruptible and non-interruptible is whenever the agent primary capacity is reached, if the agent capacity is 100%, the agent won't receive any interruptible work items. So here if this particular agent was filled with 5 cases, if a messaging session records come, then this agent won't be able to handle the messaging session records since the primary capacity is reached. So design and set up the units of capacity and the primary capacity accordingly so that it can overlap each other. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.